Hello, my name is Greg Dixon from Tell Your Story Productions. You can visit our website at tellyourstory.productions. And we're going to work on a series here that I'm calling Story Production Secrets. So I'm going to share a lot of things in order for you to make your own story productions, whether it be a family story, a personal story, or a business story productions. And the first episode in the series coming up will be on family photos, organizing photos, scanning photos. We're going to give a little information about scanners and some scanning resolution secrets. I think you can spend a lot of time scanning, and if you don't get the resolution right, your time is wasted. It's very time consuming anyway. You might as well make the best use of your time. Um, Going to also talk a little bit about a camera. What if you don't have a scanner, or you have things that don't really work well with a scanner, like framed prints at your grandmother's house? Um, anyway, you can use a camera for capture that, and I'm going to cover that as well. Also, what to do with photos when you have them, how to organize them, how to store them. Um, for one, you can store them on a hard drive, and I also advocate putting them up into the cloud. And we use Google Drive, but there's iCloud, various other services, Dropbox. Um, Google Drive is free. Well, it's not free if you have a huge quantity of things, but it's very inexpensive, and you can share, and you can have all of your family members uploading and adding to your collection as well. And also you can get them to write notes about your photos, because that is one of the challenges, is you have a photo and who knows who it is, right? Somebody from 100 years ago, your grandmother's cousin Bob or something like that. Anyway, also we're going to talk a little bit about having fun family photo parties. So this doesn't necessarily have to be overwhelming. You can have fun with it. Anyway, so this is coming up very soon. I'm going to work on the first broadcast soon, and if you want to receive a notice about when this is coming up, please go visit the website tellyourstory.productions. That's tellyourstory.productions, and there's a link to a newsletter. There's a direct link to tellyourstory.productions/newsletter. Sign up, and I'll send you a notice about when things are coming up. Anyway, thank you very much. Greg Dixon, Tell Your Story Productions.